So this vlog is explain to you how to make 2,000 and million views, 2,000 subscribers, and to get million views.
Wow.
So just keep watching this video and I'll explain how it is. Okay, let's go. And good news nga pala sa atin mga ka-sunshine. Happy 2K subscribers everyone! I'm so happy. 2K na tayo. We're slowly getting there. Na-notice na tayo ni YouTube. I'm slowly growing. Please keep please keep subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep watching all my vlogs, even my shorts vlog. I mean short videos. Keep watching it. And then meron din pala nag-question paano ano may question doon, sabi paano, nag-message pala siya sa akin kung paano daw mag-grow ng ganon kabilis. And then I told her na keep posting. Meron kasi akong dalawang videos na trending siya, so it's like million views. The other one is I think 1.9 na, and then the other one is 1.6 million. So magkasunod yun ha. So grabe. Na-amaze ako. Dalawang sunod na araw ko lang pinost yun. So nag-trending siya. So ipapakita ko kung anong video yung nag-trending. So ako naman, so I tell you guys na keep posting, keep growing. Huwag mapapagod na mag-post. So ayun, huwag kayong mapapagod na mag-post. Keep posting lang everyday, at least like 2 videos, maka 2 videos kayo a day mag-post. Ayan. Ayun, mag-grow kayo. Huwag kayong panghinaan ng loob na ay, hindi naman ako napapansin ng viewers. May darating one time magte-trending ka din. Basta keep posting your vlogs, short videos, ayan. Magte-trend yan, promise. Basta keep trusting yourself. Keep posting and pray lang. Magiging ano rin tayo, magiging Ivana Alawi din. Magiging Ivana Alawi. So diba na yung subscribers niya like 20 million na ata ngayon. So in time magiging ganun rin tayo. So just keep posting. Yan. Trust yourself na kaya mo. Ayan, lakad muna tayo. So tapos may nag-comment rin pala sa akin. Hello ate, kailan ka babalik na Minnesota? Hindi na po ako babalik. Hindi na po ako titira. Then, babalik po ako next week. So, doon tayo magkukontentan. So, comment down below kung ano yung mga content na gusto niyo gawin ko. So, comment nyo na guys. Mag-contentan. May contentan tayo doon sa Minnesota pagbalik ko doon. But for now, enjoy muna natin yung weather dito. Enjoy muna natin yung weather dito. Napakagandang weather. Mamimiss ko tong yung sweater lang yung suot. Kasi pag doon doble-doble nakakatamad magsuot ng doble-doble. Pero kailangan mong lumabas ganun. So guys, tatapusin ko na yung vlog ko for today's video. And magko-contentan tayo ulit pagbalik ko sa Minnesota. And see you the next vlog everyone. Thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel. So it's me, Rance and Chew Vlog. happy 2K, 2K everyone. Happy 2K. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please comment down below kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyong i-content ko dito sa YouTube channel ko. Thank you so much again. See you the next vlog. Happy 2K, 2K, 2K. Bye.